Are you ready?
Never before in my life I have used facial recognition in a hotel to check in. Welcome. This is the Glass Tower by Central Beach Leisure here in Blackpool, and this is a double room with a balcony room. Now, first impressions of this, I am super shocked of how amazing this looks. We've got light on the bed already. It looks like one didn't come on off. Let's get that fixed. There we go. This is very swish. You have to use like facial recognition to check in. Downstairs is, honestly, I have never experienced something like that before. We'll go to the bed first. I'll zoom out to have a look at this. Go down so you can have a proper look. This is stylish. Obviously when you come in, you've got towels already on the bed. Bed is very comfortable. We'll be doing a bed test very soon. My hands are very shaky at the moment. I don't know why. Go have a look in the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Looks like you got a toothbrush charger on there with a shaving port underneath. Got the bog wall and obviously the bog. I love this mirror. I absolutely love this mirror. This mirror is so nice. Oops, I'm already breaking things already. There is a bin behind there. And we've got a rainfall shower, which is so nice. We've got another shower head for accessories, and then that's your control switch. Hotel does supply body wash, and let me see what that is, and hair. So only body and hair is provided. So obviously if you've got coloured hair like myself, you have to bring your own conditioner and shampoo. And its own branded hand wash as well, which is really nice. We have a television as well and a beautiful mirror next to the television. And we have tea and coffee facilities. I absolutely love the branding on this. Good morning, sunshine. How cute is that? Then we also got a lovely decent kettle as well. There are loads of plug sockets lying about. There's one there, one underneath there. There's some on the other side underneath the drawer as well. But the main, the resistance, is this. It's the balcony. Look at this. You can see the beach directly in front of you. Just straight down there, you can see South Pier and Central and the Blackpool Pleasure Beach. You can see the big one just down there. And on the other side, this is where Sutton Sweet Park. You can see Central Pier and the tower. It's a lovely, lovely day. I'm obviously here for Blackpool Pride. And the balcony is just unbelievable. I've never seen a hotel with this such a beautiful view. It's unbelievable. And you can see where we are. We're actually underneath the sign where it says the Glass Tower. So if I stand over a little bit on that side, you can see it. We also got deck chairs as well, so you can sit outside on the deck chair and admire this amazing view. This is I think this is one of the nicest hotels in Blackpool I've ever been in my entire life. This is so nice. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the room tour here at the Glass Tower Central Beach Leisure here in Blackpool. Stay tuned for the bed test. My gosh, what a view that is. I'm absolutely in love with this. But now it's time the most important thing. It's the bed test. This is nice. Very bouncy, very springy. That's what we like. Obviously, just behind me, you got the pillows. The pillows are really soft and comfortable. I think I'm going to have a very nice sleep on this. And yeah, that is your room tour. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon.